All right, here's your first exercise for this section. I want you to create an address object with three properties: street, city, and zip code. When you do that, then create a function called showAddress that takes an address object and displays all the properties in this object along with their value. So pause the video. When you're done, come back, continue watching. So now I'm going to create an address object. We can use the let or constant keyword. In this case, it doesn't really matter. Here we're using the object literal syntax to initialize this object. So we have a street property. We set that to some value. It doesn't really matter. Next is the city property. And finally, zip code. Next, we need to create this function, showAddress, that takes an address object. And here to enumerate the properties of this object, we're going to use the for-in loop. So let key in address, then we do a console.log of key and address of key. So here we're using the bracket notation to get the value of the given key. And finally, we call this function showAddress and pass our address object. Save the changes, and here's the result.